Hello guys and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to get Microsoft Copilot on your iPhone. This AI-powered assistant could help you with a variety of tasks, making your iPhone even smarter. Let's get started. First, open the App Store on your iPhone and search for Microsoft Copilot. Once you find it, tap Download to install the app. After the app is installed, open it and sign in using your Microsoft account. If you don't have one, you'll need to create one in order to access Copilot. Once you're signed in, launch the app and you're ready to go. Microsoft Copilot will now be at your service, ready to help you with tasks, information, and much more. And that's it. You've successfully set up Microsoft Copilot in your iPhone. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.